This new smart doorbell supports remote voice video, automatic capture, remote playback, high-definition night vision. It helps us to guard the door. There are two connection methods including Wi-Fi Bluetooth. USB chime can be placed anywhere within 40 meters. You can adjust the volume and the songs as you want. When the visitor presses the doorbell, it will push the notification to the cell phone immediately. The camera will capture the picture and keep pictures in cloud for 30 days freely. Also, you view the door in real time. The doorbell can share to multi-visitors. Built-in rechargeable lithium battery with low power consumption design will keep the doorbell standby for 3 to 5 days. Do you want to know how much it will cost? Just a lunch.